Let's discuss a question on HCF and LCM that was asked in CAT 2001. The question is, a red light flashes 3 times per minute. 3 times per minute. And a green light flashes 5 times in 2 minutes. If both lights start flashing at same time, that means they started together, how many times do they flash together in each hour? So first of all, red light. Red light. It flashes 3 times in one minute. That means in 60 seconds it flashes 3 times. So it flashes after every 20 seconds. That means it will flash first 20 seconds, then 40, then 60, and so on. That means multiples of 20. Now green light. It flashes 5 times in 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 120 seconds by 5 times. Every 24 seconds it flashes. That means after 24 seconds, then 48 seconds, and so on. That is multiples of 24. So after how many times they will flash together? First time is the LCM of 20 and 24. We know LCM of 20 and 24 is equal to 120. Hence after 120 seconds they will flash together, or after every 120 seconds they will flash together. 120 seconds is equal to 2 minutes. Hence after every 2 minutes they will flash together. So in 1 hour, that means in 60 minutes they will flash together is given by 60 by 2. In 60 minutes they will flash together is 30 times. Okay, let's discuss a question that was asked in CAT 2000. The question is, the 3-digit integer, the integer 34041 and 32506 when divided by a 3-digit integer n leaves the same remainder. What is the value of n? So the question is, when 34041 divided by integer n, it leaves remainder r. At the same time, when 32506 divided by n, it also leaves remainder r. Remainder is same in both the cases. Now, when 34041 divided by n gives remainder r, so if we subtract r from this number, we should get a number that is multiple of n. Hence 34041 minus r is a multiple of n. Similarly, when 32506 divided by n gives remainder r, that means 32506 minus r must be a multiple of n. So 32506 minus r, it must be a multiple of n. This is also a multiple of n, this is also a multiple of n. So difference between these two again must be a multiple of n. So find the difference between these two. Difference between these two is 1535. So 1535 is a multiple of n. In other words, n has a factor, n is a factor of 1535. Now out of given 4 options, only D is a factor of 1535, hence D is the answer. Question can be asked, find the largest value of n. Largest value of n is 1535. Okay, now discuss another question on HCF LCM that was asked in CAT 1998. The question is, A is a set of positive integers such that when divided by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 leaves the corresponding remainders 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. How many integers between 0 and 100 belongs to set A? That means how many integers are there from 0 to 100 that satisfy this condition. So let us suppose n is an integer that when divided by 2 leaves remainder 1. When divided by 3 leaves remainder 2. Divided by 4 leaves remainder 3. Divided by 5 leaves remainder 4. Divided by 6 leaves remainder 5. Now if you have a look at the difference between these two, then difference between these two is 1 here, difference between these two is 1, difference between these two is 1, difference between these two is 1, difference between these two is 1. So difference is constant here. So we have seen this type of questions, then any number in the form of k times LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus the common difference will satisfy this condition. So n must be in the form of k times LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 minus the common difference. Here in this case common difference is equal to 1. Hence any number in the form of k times LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 60. So any number in the form of 60k minus 1 will satisfy this condition. Hence we need to find out an integer from 0 to 100. So if you put k equal to 1, you will get only one integer in this format, that is 60 minus 1, 59. Hence only one integer belongs to this group from 0 to 100 that satisfies this condition, and it is 59. Hence answer option is B. Question can be asked कि how many 3-digit integers satisfy this condition. So we know any number in the form of 60k minus 1 will satisfy this condition. For smallest 3-digit number we have to put k equal to 2, then we will get the smallest 3-digit number is 60 into 2 minus 1, that is 119. For largest 3-digit number we have to put k equal to 16, that is 60 into 16 minus 1 is equal to 960 minus 1 or 959. Hence how many values of k we have? From 2 to 16, 15 values. So there are 15 3-digit numbers exist that satisfy this condition. Similarly question can be asked how many 4-digit numbers, how many 5-digit numbers and so on. We will follow the same method and must be in the form of 60k minus 1.